All right, so introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Tammy Allen.
Well, Tammy, when you were serving coffee, how much were you making per hour?
$8 an hour.
And if you were to buy a house, how long do you think it'd take for you to pay for it, making $8 an hour?
Oh my goodness, it would probably take me 25, 30 years to pay off a house if I was only making $8 an hour.
Right. 30 years is typical for a mortgage. There was a tiny house around the corner for sale for $35,000. And if you want to break that down into more graspable terms, if you financed it at 3.875% interest for 30 years, it would cost you $75,687 for a tiny one-bedroom trailer.
Oh my goodness, that's ridiculous for people to think somebody could pay that.
Right. And if you want to break that down further, you'd have to work for 9,460 hours to pay for that little tiny trailer house.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of hours of my life working.
It is, because if you work 8 or 9 hours per day, it would take you 1,220 days that you would have to go to work, show up whether you wanted to or not.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of days.
That's a lot of days.
It would take 1,220 days, work days, to actually pay for this tiny home. I mean, do you think you could maybe want to do something else for 1,220 days of your life?
Oh, absolutely.
So the cost of a little house like that with interest is about 1,220 days of your life.
Oh my goodness. Now, I can definitely think of something else I'd want to do better.
Exactly. So consider this, a similar tiny house built yourself with AirCrete would cost around $9,000 with the appliances. That's finished.
Really? That is so cool.
All right, now here's another thing. If you were to save this, it would cost you only 1,125 hours of straight work or 141 days that you would have to go to work is what this house would cost you. So it's 365 days in a year, and it only cost you 141 days of your life to pay for this house. If you make the effort to buy it yourself, do you think that would be you could find something to do with the additional 224 days left in the year?
Absolutely. And I would be so thrilled because I would do whatever it took. Whatever it took. If it only cost me working 141 days, then I would do whatever it took. If I had the house, that it would be that I would have a house and I would have all of the things, the basic needs met, then I could go do whatever I wanted to, whatever I wanted to be interested in doing.
That includes a nice washer and dryer. So the next issue with a conventional home is energy usage. A conventional home uses about $150 a month or $1,800 a year in electricity. Well, with the tiny home, using a combination of active and passive methods for heating and cooling, it'll cost you $40 a month or $480 a year in energy to live in this home.
That is awesome.
So that would save you $1,320 just in energy cost alone. Do you think maybe you could find a plane ticket to somewhere you wanted to go for
Oh,
that?
absolutely I could. I'd go to the Hawaii. I would love it.
Right. So with a conventional home, they have problems such as termites, roaches, mice, rats. They can catch fire, they can rot, and sometimes they let a lot of noise in from the environment.
Yes.
Whereas a domed AirCrete home, it doesn't have to be a dome, it could be a more standard looking home. About the only downside is that it looks different and people think of it differently. So what do you think about that?
I think it would be awesome to have a home that would be bug proof, tornado proof. It would be like a shelter type, and it would be absolutely amazing and be freeing, so much freeing to have our needs met and then have more time to do what we want to do. I would love it.
Absolutely. I think anybody would enjoy that extra time in their life because truly the only currency we have is our time. And spending 1,220 days at work just to have a place to sleep isn't always the best option, but with a small home built out of aerated cement, you could literally pay for it in a year and go on vacation the same year.
Oh, I would love it. That would be the ideal.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.